guys, welcome back to my channel and today's tutorial. Okay, so I have this tutorial for this piece and I uploaded before, and I will put this into description box and you can watch it and make it first and then come back here. But today I made one of these for a bikini, micro bikini top. So now I want to turn this into a micro bikini bottom. Okay, so all you need is 2 pieces, and then after that what we're going to do now is grab one of the piece, okay, and we are going to connect this so it will be in the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do from here is chain 1, okay, sorry guys. Oh yeah, okay, so chain 1, okay, and then turn your work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is from here I'm going to single crochet, okay, and then single crochet and single crochet, so it will be a 3 single crochet. Okay, so then chain 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is just put 3 single crochet, okay, in each row until you got your length that you need. Okay, with mine I'm going to have 4-inch, okay, and I make sure that, okay, well, this one it doesn't really like stretch that much, so I need 4-inch for this one. Okay, so we'll just going to continue that, guys. And yeah, as I mentioned before, with this tutorial I'm going to put this into the description box, and this is a 3D pattern, crochet pattern. Okay, so it's really easy to make, and just continue that. But this one here is I'm just going to do like plain. Okay, so continue doing that, and I'm excited to see, you know, how it looks like or how it will turn out. You know, lately I've been making bikinis, and they're like micro bikinis. So if you're up to bikinis, guys, and micro bikinis, please check out my previous videos. And they're really simple. Okay, so continue that, and after this I'm going to measure and see if we do have the measurement that we need yet. Okay, so from here, okay, so I need 4, so I still need to do like half of it. Okay, so from there just continue. Okay, and then after that we're just going to attach it into the other side. Okay, so yeah, just single crochet. Okay, back and forth. Okay, you can change this as well, guys, you know, if you can do like a double crochet or half double crochet. Or even you can do like a chain and then connect and then single crochet or double crochet and then connect. Okay, so let's try it again and we'll see if it is if it stretches. Okay, so with this it stretches, so that's the stretchy. Okay, so maybe I'll do one more rows. Okay, and then let's connect. Okay, okay, so like that, and then because we're going to work here, I'm going to insert, oops. Okay, so because it's kind of awkward, okay, I'm going to do one more so we end up in the other side, and then let's do from there. Okay, so we need to face both right side facing each other, and we're going to do, we just need 3 single crochet there. So I'm just going to do a slip knot, guys. Okay, so the next one, okay, you can do single crochet or anything you want to connect, so it doesn't really, you know, matter as long as you connect them. Okay, and in the side, okay, I'm going in the side too. Okay, and okay, so that is how it looks like, and then you just have to wave this waving end. Okay, and that is our hat. Okay, so I'll just hide this a little bit. Okay, and I'll do that later. Okay, so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so this is our piece. Okay, now you just have to make your string. Okay, so with the string is, I'm just going to, you can insert both, okay, front and back, or you can insert in one side. Okay, so what I like to do is insert from the top and then go inside. Okay, so here as well is from, so 1 2, and then I'm just going to insert that. Okay, and just make sure that you have the same length. Okay, and pull that. Okay, so you have that, and then you just have to tie this up. Okay, and you have your one side, and let's do in the other side. Okay, so 1 2. Okay, and 1 2 as well. Just insert that. Okay, and then pull and stretch it out and just tie it up. Okay, so you can tie it any way you want it. Okay, so this is how it looks like at the moment. Okay, so I will put this into my mannequin. Okay, and I'm going to show you that on the front. Okay, so my cover. Okay, you will see how it looks like. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you like this video, and I will put into the description box, okay, how to make this. This is very easy. Okay, so you can, this is a micro bikini, you can adjust. Okay, you can create normal bikinis, okay, high waist bikinis with this pattern. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.